So hi friends, welcome back again to a brand new video on the channel Eau de Parfum. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And while you're at it, please press the like button for this video to show your appreciation and also support us and support the video. Anyways, for today's topic, fake versus real Versace Eros Flame, the testers. So this is all about the testers when it comes to Versace Eros Flame. Alright, so this is the fake right here, and this is the authentic. The major rule when it comes to fake testers that they come with a cellophane wrap. Not all the fragrances, I mean, there is other brands that come with cellophane when it comes to the testers, but when it comes to Versace, the testers, the authentic testers, they never come with a cellophane wrap like this one. So yes, some crooks they figured out this thing, and they started taking off this cellophane wrap to sell you just the box like this one, and try to convince you that it is an authentic. But even with cellophane or without cellophane, you can still tell differences between the authentic one and the fake one. As you can see, the design on here is much different than the fake one, and we have a badge code right here, and also the quality of the box is a little bit different than the quality on this one right here. And yeah, you can see that we have a barcode here on the authentic. Right here we have also a badge code, these numbers here, and more details on the sides, on the top as well, and right here as well. Okay, let's see the bottom. So the bottom of the fake, the bottom of the authentic. Okay, let's go to the sides. The fake, the authentic, the fake, the authentic, and the back. The back, they pretty much look a little bit similar, as you can see. But on the top, the fake one doesn't have any informations, just like on the authentic. There is a difference, as you can see. Okay, let's take the bottles out of the boxes and see about other differences. I'm sorry if you hear any noise from outside. You know, whenever I sit outside, there is there is all kinds of noise. Sometimes I feel like I'm living in New York City, or I don't know, Bangkok. Anyways, okay, let's take the boxes away. So this is the bottle of the authentic, and this is the bottle of the fake one. As you can see, the red color on the authentic is much richer and much denser, while on the fake it's going towards the pinkish side, and the paint is not really as good as on the authentic one. And as you can see, even the name over here, Versace, the font is thicker than on the authentic. Let's go to the side. This is important. So the authentic has informations right here, over here, have a lot of informations about the fragrance, while the fake one doesn't have anything. Also the other side, as you can see. And yeah, I mean, the paint also on the cap is really it looks cheap in here. The yellow is cheap and it's bad, and it's sticky. I mean, when you put your finger on the cap, you feel like it is sticky. The cap is sticky. That's gonna glue to the paint is gonna be glued to your fingertip. And while the authentic one, the cap of the authentic is really nice. You wanna see a close-up right here? Okay, let's turn them. Also, the cap of the authentic is heavier than the cap of the fake. It is very light. I hope that you can see from the inside. Alright. The Medusa on the fake inside is very clear. It's not like on the authentic. It is a little bit blurry, but it is much better quality on the authentic, the Medusa inside. while on the fake it's very clear, and it's not really that complete or that very well done. Anyways, let's put the caps away. So what about the atomizers? The atomizers, as you can see, they are kinda they look a little bit similar, if I can say that, but the authentic one seems to be a little bit more denser, and also the color, the golden plate color, looks much better on here. While on here it looks very yellowish. It's an ugly type of golden plated color. Okay, if you guys want to see the inside of the atomizers when it comes to the fake and the authentic, so this is the fake one. I hope that you guys can see very well. And this is the authentic one right here. Let's put them together. So this is the authentic one, this is the fake one. Let's put them next to each other. The differences are very minor, so you have to be really careful. But what gives it up is the size of the atomizer. As you can see, the size of the authentic one, this one is bigger than the fake one. So this is the fake, this is the authentic. See, there is a difference in the sizes. Okay, let's see the inside of the bottles. So this is the inside of the atomizer of the fake. As you can see, there is a silver plate around the tube, and it's not really very well tied with the tube. It's not like the authentic. Very good job. I mean, the plate also is on here is golden plated, not like on here it is silver plated. The plate that's around the tube, and on here, as you can see, it is super tight around the tube. Very well done work from Versace. Really, it is beautiful. Let's put them side by side. So this one is the authentic, this one is the fake, sorry, this one is the fake, and this one is the authentic. So look at the differences here. I'm taking my time this time so you can really see. I don't want to rush anything. Alright, let's spray both fragrances and see about the quality of the sprayer. I already sprayed both fragrances and I smelled them, and I gave them a solid try about the scent. As you can see, not a really powerful sprayer when it comes to the fake. Let's see now about the authentic one. So 1, 2, 3. Much difference, as you can tell. Oh, and the scent is just beautiful when it comes to the authentic. On here, the scent, there is nothing, zero. You smell pretty much just alcohol and pretty much nothing, and it fades away quickly. Well, this one is just beautiful, and it grows and gets better and better with time. If you guys want to see one last thing, it is the bottom of the bottles. On the fake one, you have a sticker on here when it comes to the fake testers of Versace Eros lane, and while on the authentic there is no sticker. The authentic doesn't have a sticker, while the fake has a sticker in the bottom, but the informations on the authentic are on the side. And this thing, the sticker in the bottom of the fake one, is what makes some crooks when against some people. They would tell them, oh, I have a sticker on my bottle, so my bottle is authentic, but it is not. As you can see, the authentic one, it is much different. And also, really, if you get close to both bottles, you can see that the tube on here is very obvious, while on here you don't really see it much. And also the base of the glass is much thicker on the fake than the authentic. On the authentic it is very thin. On here it is very thick. Let me show you. So as you can see here, you can tell that the glass, the bottom, the base here is very thick, while on here it is very thin. Alright, I think this is it for our video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that this video was very helpful. If it was helpful, please, really please, press the like button for this video, help the video, help the channel, subscribe if not subscribed, and definitely stay tuned for the next videos. There is much more to come, hopefully. So take care, bye.